everyone. I love you so much. Okay, okay. Oh, pwedeng humabol. Huwag mahiya. Tumatanggap kami ng cash. Wala, okay lang, tinatanggap namin ng bobo yan. No pressure. No pressure.
So this for Ate Hazel. Chubby shake, chubby.
Saan daw galing?
Ate Hazel. Oh, open it. Please. I know you want to open it.
Kinig ka kasi. You guess? Oh yeah, let's see.
Wait. Oh, open it. Wow.
Yay!
Nauna lang yun. Akat. Marcy.
Who's that car?
Maybe McQueen.
Huh?
Oh, open it. Wow!
A red, wow!
I told you it was a car.
Ferrari! You red!
I told you it was a car.
Wow! Say thank you, Tita Hazel!
Tita Hazel.
Okay.
Can I use it?
Later! Wow!
pressure.
Marathon! Okay. Let's open the next one. Let's open the next one. This is from Sumaira!
Yay! Well, na ano siya eh.
Open.
Kay Sumayra.
Sumayra, kinikilig si Sumayra.
Inside.
Siya no. Proud na proud. Wow! It's very useful. He can use.
Thank you.
Say thank you so
You don't
much.
try.
Yeah, say thank you, Ate Sumayra.
It was 695 dirhams.
Oh!
May price reveal.
Talaga naman. Price reveal. Kanina yan?
From Anika.
From Anika, si Princess Anika. Thank you, Ate Anika Indos and Ordilius family.
Hirapan talaga ni Mama.
Sino board nito? Kanina pa.
Another car.
Wow!
Spider-Man.
Wow! What you're going to say? What you're going to say? Wow!
You like it na? You like it?
Yeah!
What you want to say to Anika?
Thank you.
Ay, he likes it. Say, I love you all. Say, I love you all.
I love you all. There's so much more there.
This one.
Props purpose lang yung iba.
Ikaw mag-alala dyan.
Buksan ko lang.
Open it.
From
From
Kuya EJ and Gab.
Wow!
His cousin.
Oh, sinong Gab?
Ano yan, overseas. Say thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Gab and EJ and Tita Jane. I love you.
Mommy,
Ah.
ganda.
Pang 1 year supply. From?
Tita Suzy.
Wow! Your phone! Thank you, Tita Sue! Yeah, that's one. That one.
From Tito Rico and Dahlia.
Ah, to Cousin Dahlia and Tito Rick Rick.
Careful kasi gagamitin natin to. Oh, shirt again.
Pakita mo, Han.
Who's this?
Wow!
He's fighting.
Spider-Man, yung isa pa, Han.
Hey, the other one. Who's this?
Stripes.
Thank you.
Ano daw?
Stripes.
Stripes. Teka, Han, nag-failed.
This one. Let's open this one.
From who?
From Tito Balong. Tito Derek.
Tito Derek and Tita Yam. Thank you po. Say thank you.
Wow!
Okay.
Oh, pang 1 year na talaga.
This is there.
Wala. Baka may brief dyan. Kaya nga.
Sponsor niya ito, laging gap.
Gapo. Hindi sila yearly talaga. Sila balong. O yung kanyang kaibigan. Laging gapi. Mukhang ano eh. May isang branch yata silang pamamayari.
Wait, I will help you.
Ay, pakita mo yung ano damitan. Kanina galing yan.
Ito?
Thank you.
Thank you, Balong.
Epes mong gap. Kay balong sa kakayam. Laging gap yan sila.
What's this?
To whom? Kanina galing.
From Dahlia.
Oh, from Cousin Dahlia. Thank you, Ate Dahlia. Ay, Cousin Dahlia. Hindi pala ate. Pang ano?
Apron.
Apron.
This one.
I know
From?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
From Tita Susie.
Oh, from Tita Sue. Thank you po.
This is there.
Now?
BJ, I think you will like this. Who's this?
Open it.
Open.
Ang ganda ng ano. Pagkakabal.
Hirapan talaga namin ng pera.
Wow!
Wow. What's that? Wow. All red ah. Iganyan mo nga han. Naka-ribbon pa.
Thank you, Ate Sue.
Best in ano. Wow. Spider-Man. Thank you po.
10 years old na siya. Thank you sa advance.
Thank you po, Tita Sue. Yan.
Yan, kanina yan.
Ano galing yan?
From Tita.
Tita.
Yay!
Beentry ka pala. Nagulat ka po.
From Tita Kati.
Wow.
From Tita Kati.
Huwag ka ma-pressure dyan. Huwag ka ma-pressure. Thank you, Tita Kati. Okay na yan.
Tita AJ.
From Tita AJ.
Wow, PJ! Dahil mo na bagong damit, hindi na ako bibili. Nakakabili na naman si Papa na ito.
Yes!
Yay!
Thank you, Tita AJ.
Nako, marami na ganito.
Namit si B.
Kala ko blue corn na.
Baka brief na lang yung kulang sa kasano sa kamedyas.
Yan ang binigay ko.
Malay mo,
Kaya,
What's this? From Life Pharmacy. Ano pangalan?
buksan mo.
Galing kayo.
Hindi na.
Galing mo, may sponsor ka.
Okay.
Hindi! Galing sa atin yan! From Mama and Papa, anak! From Mama and Papa! From Mama and Papa! Yeah! From Mama and Papa, anak! What you're going to say? Thank you! Hey, thank you! I love you!
There's more. Wala
Where's
na.
more? Meron pa yan. Kanina galing.
From Mama and Papa also.
What's the diet?
Yes, yes.
Wow, PJ, you remember this?
Thank you, Mama and Papa!
Pencil case.
Pencil case!
Ano, some healthy.
Yeah. Okay, more. Ito pa, Han.
One pouch here.
Oh.
No, 2 pouches.
This is for me.
From Tita Sue.
From Tita Sue, see, what's this? PJ, Tita Sue wants you to be healthy.
Healthy, yeah. That's honey.
Raw
Ano,
honey.
raw honey. Ano yung vitamin si PJ? Thank you, Tita
There's
Sue.
one more.
Oh, give it to Tito Paul.
That's coming from the hospital.
From whom?
From Juby Fabricante.
From Tita Juby. Tita Teacher Juby. Yeah, thank you so PJ. Wow! Wow! There's a lot. Look at that, anak. Look at that.
This one.
Say thank you. Ganun mo nga, Han. Ang dami. Thank you po. Thank you, Tita Juby. Teacher, Tita Juby.
Nilagay may pencil case na sa paper bag baka. No, this one, Tita Paul. This one.
This one. From Mama and Papa.
From Mama and Papa. From Mama and Papa talaga.
Oh, nahulog natin.
Puro honey. My love, so sweet.
Kasi gusto namin talaga mag-healthy ka, anak. That's healthy. That's nice, honey.
Okay. Finish.
Yeah, for your immunes. What you're going to say, PJ?
One more from Ninang Bell.
Ay, kay Ninang Bell. May entry si Ninang Bell. Magkano presyo, Sultan?
From Ninang Bell.
Tumatanggap kami ng cash.
Yay!
Wow! Thank you, Ninang Bell, for the milk. I love you.
Kami dyan.
Hawakan mo na lang yung cake, Sultan. May pangalan mo.
Yeah, say thank you, Mama and Papa, for my bicycle. And thank you, everyone. I love you all.